Language models require that human language needs to be converted into numbers before the model is actually able to process this information and generate its response. After all, this is the only thing that computers can process: numbers. In the context of machine learning and language models, we refer to this numerical form of text as vectors or embeddings. This conversion of text into numbers is an important step, but there is also another process that takes place before text gets converted into numbers. This process is called tokenization, and it's all about breaking up text into individual pieces called tokens. Every input or prompt first needs to pass through a tokenizer, whose job is to convert text into tokens before sending them to the LLM. These tokens can be individual characters, words, or parts of a word, which is why we use a different term for these blocks. Here are some key differences between words and tokens. Some tokens have special meaning, like representing the start or end of a sentence, sentence separators, unknown words, or special symbols like emojis. Empty spaces and newlines are often discarded or are grouped together in a single token. Some tokenizers preserve capitalization of words, and others discard it and treat all words as lowercase. Words will often be broken down in 2 or more pieces, even non-compound words. For example, we might get the word evaporate broken down into 2 or more tokens, and the compound word toothbrush broken down in more than 2 tokens as well. Numbers will sometimes be split into single digits, and other times split into multi-digit tokens. The key point here is that the way that each tokenizer breaks text into tokens is based on the context and task that it will be used on. For example, a tokenizer intended to be used in a language model that will act as a programming assistant will treat text differently than a tokenizer that will be used for a flight booking assistant. Programming syntax might contain identifiers like var, let, or const, whereas flight terminology contains codes such as JFK, PDX, or LAX. If you want to see a live demo of how a piece of text is tokenized by a language model, make sure to try out some online tokenizers found in the video description area below. We hoped this video helped you get a rough overview of what a token is and opened up your appetite to learn more. So make sure to visit and study the resources we've compiled in the description below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to support us.